generating multiple solutions or ideas, while associative thinking facilitates the connection of seemingly unrelated concepts. Flexibility of thought enables individuals to explore different perspectives and adapt to new situations. 3. Motivation and engagement. Intrinsic motivation and a high level of engagement play an essential role in sustaining creativity. When individuals are motivated by a genuine interest in their work and feel a sense of autonomy, creativity flourishes. External factors, such as rewards or pressure, can hinder creativity if they overshadow intrinsic motivation. 4. Environmental factors. The environment in which individuals operate can either foster or hinder creativity. Supportive and open-minded environments that encourage risk-taking, collaboration, and exploration have been found to significantly boost creative output. Conversely, overly restrictive or judgmental environments can stifle creativity. Cultivating creativity. While creativity may come more naturally to some individuals, it is a skill that can be nurtured and developed. Here are some strategies for cultivating creativity. 1. Foster a curious mindset. Embrace curiosity and remain open to new experiences, ideas, and perspectives. Engage in continuous learning and seek out diverse sources of inspiration to stimulate your creativity. 2. Embrace failure and mistakes. Do not fear failure or making mistakes. They are an integral part of the creative journey and can provide valuable insights. Embrace the learning opportunities they present and use them to refine your creative process. 3. Allow for mind wandering. Create opportunities for your mind to wander and daydream. Unstructured downtime can foster unexpected connections and insights, leading to creative breakthroughs. 4. Practice divergent thinking. Engage in activities that promote divergent thinking, such as brainstorming, mind mapping, and free writing. Allow yourself to generate multiple ideas without judgment or evaluation. Exploring the role of constraints in creativity. In addition to the factors mentioned earlier, another aspect that influences creativity is the presence of constraints. While constraints may initially seem limiting, they can actually spark innovation and encourage unique solutions. Research has shown that constraints can enhance creativity by forcing individuals to think outside the box and find alternative approaches. Constraints can take various forms, such as limited resources, time constraints, or specific guidelines. For example, artists may impose limitations on themselves, such as only using a certain color palette or working within a specific theme. These constraints push artists to explore new techniques and create innovative artwork. Similarly, engineers and designers often face constraints in their projects, such as budget limitations or technological restrictions. These constraints drive them to find creative solutions and stretch the boundaries of what is possible within the given constraints. Constraints can also be found in everyday life, such as time constraints when completing a task or limited resources when solving a problem. These constraints can spur individuals to think creatively and come up with unconventional solutions. While constraints can inspire creativity, it is important to find the right balance. Excessive constraints or overly rigid guidelines can stifle creativity, leading to a lack of innovation. It is crucial to create an environment that balances the presence of constraints with enough flexibility to encourage creative thinking. Moreover, the way individuals perceive constraints also plays a significant role.